Today we are here at the launching event of India's first school of vertical transportation, which is also known as elevator and lifts. It is going to create jobs for 1 lakh youths in the upcoming years, and the industry has reached the mark of $1.2 billion. And now let's talk to the CEO of BSVT to know more about what is the course offering.
We are offering there are 7 courses completely in our curriculum basically. So the main course is like a 1-year diploma course, which is containing a 6 month of a total theoretical program, and also like a 3 months in-house lab program, and after that there is a 3 months internship program basically. So that is the main course, and the second course is the other like a upskilling course, which is already for the people who is already in the industry and who is, for example, like a 2 or 3 years experience they have, but they doesn't have a certification or a much skill knowledge in it actually. So we are also giving an upskilling courses for the technician who is already working in the industry, where they can go for a higher level employment in the future. And then that will be a different, like for installation we have upskilling courses, maintenance we have upskilling courses, we have a testing and commissioning upskilling courses, etc. Apart from that, we are also one and only institute in India providing a safety rescue operation for the security, which I mentioned earlier, because there is a lot of problem we are facing nowadays. The lift, there is no proper trained people available in the building. So if someone is trapped in the elevator, they will be waiting for your technician to come up, they will be panic. So we are doing some new initiation to bring it up to the society for a kind of a social commitment from BSVT.
So what will be the qualification criteria?
Actually, it is starting from +2 PU completed, a science group basically, and ITA, Polytechnic Diploma completed students. And of course, any of the people from engineering also can become and join for us. But we assure within a 1 year a better placement, whoever is joined with us.
How many jobs will be created, sir?
We are looking for something around 1 lakh job in the next 3 to 4 years globally.
Speaking to Daily Salar Digital, the managing director of Bharat School of Vertical Transportation, Mohammad Mustaq, emphasizes the job opportunities and salary packages after the candidates complete the course.
BSVT was planned by Mr. Santosh Kumar. He's the CEO. He put this plan to me on that time, and because when he came to know that he has worked more than 3 decades in this industries, when he came to know that there is no particular course for this one, people comes with the experienced only. So what we thought, we'll make one proper, because we need a particular experience on this matter. So what he did is he all his experience he have made it as a curriculum, and he presented to the Skill India, and they also affiliated for our course. And what we thought is we will train them. When we present to all the industries has accepted our proposals, and they are ready to hire the trained staff from the BSVT and hire them as their employees.
Okay, sir. So how many candidates will be like?
See, we have lakhs of opportunities in this. Opportunities are there. So whatever our limitation, at present our institute can maximum of 1,000 students on a year to pass out this one. But what we are planning, we will be extending our branches in all over the India. So we will be hiring more and more people.
Okay, and sir, do you see it as a growing industry, sir?
Exactly. This is it's a $1.2 billion growing industry in whole over the. You might be knowing every building has a lift. Without lift, there is no building.
Yeah.
And there is whenever we have seen a lot of lifts have been stopped, and people are not they're taking stairs because the trained staffs are less.
Yeah.
They can't come immediately and do the because there is lots of shortage of staffs in all. You have seen our corporate video also.
Yeah.
We'll share you that corporate video also with us.
Okay, sir. And what will be the minimum salary package?
See, minimum salary in India, the vertical industry salaries are 25,000 and outside the country it is almost 50,000 rupees if you convert in Indian. Because all the countries have different packages and different companies have their own. It will be shared in the campus once they get their degrees or get the 1 year courses completed. Campus people, and they will have a choice of companies to hire them. They will negotiate accordingly.
So, sir, this is a diploma course and a 6-month course.
Yeah, this is a diploma course. This is a small 6 months practical, 6 months theory, 3 months practical, and 3 months internship.
Addressing the media, Santosh Lad, Minister of Labour Department, says the government has joined hands with BSVT, making this diploma program under the Skill India, and will provide certification courses for the youth of India. These certificates will be applicable both nationally and internationally.
ಸೊ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಬೇಸಿಕಲಿ ವರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾರತ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ವರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಒಂದು ವಿಶೇಷವಾದಂಥ ಒಂದು ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಈ ಕಂಪ್ನಿ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಮೊಹಮ್ಮದ್ ಮುಸ್ತಫನ್ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರು ಈ ಒಂದು ಇನಿಷಿಯೇಟಿವ್ ಇದೆ, ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಆಲ್ ಓವರ್ ದ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ಟುಡೇ ದಿ ವರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ನಾವೇನು ಎಲಿವೇಟರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಮಾತನಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಅಂಡರ್ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಪಾರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಮಾತನಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬ ಡಿಮಾಂಡ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಹಂಗಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ರಾಜ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಶೇಷವಾಗಿ ಭಾರತ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಮೊದಲನೇ ಬಾರಿಗೆ ವರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ನನ್ನ ಮಾಹಿತಿ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಪ್ರಕಾರ, ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಪ್ರಕಾರ. ಸೊ ಈ ಒಂದು ಇನಿಷಿಯೇಟಿವ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ರಾಜ್ಯದ ಮಕ್ಕಳುಗಳು ಯಾರು ಯೂಶಲಿ PUC ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇಯರ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ, IT ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಡಿಪ್ಲೊಮಾ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅವರು ಟಾರ್ಗೆಟ್ ಆಡಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಅವ್ರ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಟ್ರೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. 6 ತಿಂಗಳು 9 ತಿಂಗಳಕ್ಕೂ ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ಇದೆ. ಆ ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ 100% ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ, right?
Yes, exactly.
So they are going to give the placement for 100%. Whoever gets trained them, obviously there is some fee which they will speak about and perhaps they will come to know. So on the payment of the fees they train them, and after that 100% placement ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಇದು ಒಂದು ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ I wish them a very good luck, and this is a very good initiative. ಇದರಿಂದ ನಮ್ಮ ಯುವಕರಿಗೆ, ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ಯುವಕರಿಗೆ ಅನುಕೂಲ ಆಗ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಈ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಇದೆ. ಇದನ್ನ ಸದುಪಯೋಗ ಪಡಿಸ್ಕೋಬೇಕಂತ ತಮ್ಮ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ BSVT ಈ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಏನು ಅನುಕರಿಸಿದರೆ ವೈಯಕ್ತಿಕವಾಗಿ ನಾನು ಅವರಿಗೆ ಶುಭ ಹಾರೈಸಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬಯಸ್ತೀನಿ.
Good initiative, and of course I think the coming generation will get good opportunity.
Yes, sir.
I think it will create more job opportunities for youngsters.
Okay.
Wishing them all the best.